Preparing for a holiday trip. Lisa was excited because she was about to set off on her long-awaited holiday. She had spent weeks planning the perfect getaway, and now it was time to pack up her things and sort out the final details. First, Lisa decided to write down a list of everything she needed to take with her. "I don't want to leave out anything important," she thought. She included clothes, toiletries, and travel documents on her list. After packing her suitcase, she realized she had forgotten to fill in her visa form. "I'm glad I remembered that in time," she sighed in relief. Next, Lisa needed to look up some local attractions in her destination. She wanted to visit famous landmarks, try new restaurants, and check out some local shops. After reading several travel blogs, she was sure she had enough ideas for her trip. On the day of her departure, Lisa woke up early to get ready. She made sure to lay out her travel clothes so she could leave quickly. At the airport, she had to hand over her passport and boarding pass at the check-in desk. "Please hold on to your luggage tag," the agent reminded her. Lisa carefully placed it in her bag. During the flight, Lisa tried to catch up on some sleep. She knew she'd need the energy to take in all the sights when she arrived. After landing, she was thrilled to finally be on holiday. "Time to kick back and relax," she smiled. Key phrasal verbs and their meanings. Now repeat after me. Set off. Begin a journey. Pack up. Put things into bags or boxes to prepare for travel. Sort out. Organize or fix a problem. Write down. Record something on paper. Leave out. Forget to include something. Fill in. Complete a form or document. Look up. Search for information. Check out. Visit or explore a place. Get ready. Prepare for something. Lay out. Arrange something for easy access. Hand over, give something to someone in authority. Hold on. Keep or retain something. Catch up on. Do something you missed or didn't have time for earlier. Take in. Experience or enjoy something fully. Kick back. Relax and enjoy yourself. Want to learn English but don't know where to start? Join our English learning community. We explain difficult topics in simple terms. Practice speaking English without fear of mistakes. Support, motivation, and communication with like-minded people. Start speaking English today. Subscribe and learn with us.